is when I exposed my brother and his vile bath. All an illusion. So socks off, flip-flops on, it's time to get personally acquainted with every crevice in this room. No, I usually have a vendetta against cleaning the shower because there is testing and refusing to vacate. I know I said we were doing a deep clean, but I feel like me and the mold are just going to have to coexist at this point. Oh, and just in case anyone's in any doubt, me and the Sif bathroom foam, yeah, we're like this. There is just something so bloody satisfying about watching it pop up, and if I can make cleaning in the shower that little bit more enjoyable, I'm going to do it. Okay, and then realising that you have another one to clean because you thought it'd be a great idea to have a double vanity when really you're just making more work for yourself. Okay, rant over, let's tackle these stains. And the flip-flops have been this, but let's get rid of it. We're about 90 minutes into this clean, and honestly, I feel like this toilet roll, I've not got a lot more to give. But if there's one cleaning exercise I actually enjoy, it is dusting, especially with this duster. I just feel like I can reach places I've never reached before. Maybe that's because I'm 5'3". Final steps, hoover and mop. And then I'm putting a ban on anyone coming into this bathroom for the next 24 hours. I need to just enjoy it being clean for a minute before it gets covered in dust and fur again. And we are finally done. And I need to have a lie down. Bye.